Hey guys, the device I'm wearing on my arm is an air purifier. It even has an HEPA filter. It can also be used on your desktop or other surfaces as a convenient personal air purifier. This is the FitAir portable air purifier. It has a HEPA filter. As you can see, I'm wearing it on my arm now to allow myself to enjoy some clean, purified air wherever I go. It comes off the armband, so I can fit it on any surface and have a standalone option. Alright, so I'm going to take this off to show you what it looks like in its own standalone position. It locks on and off on this stand right here, and you just twist for it to come off. Very, very simple. Now, it comes with a box, and inside the box you have your own armband with the stand. You have another filter, and you have your charging cable, which you can plug into your computer or in an adapter for your cable if you have another one like this. It also comes with a very helpful instruction manual, and it is not very long and it has plenty of diagrams to show you what you need to do. Now all you have to do is combine the devices, which you do by twisting and turning, which is very cool. Now, I can get into the close-ups to tell you a little bit more. So here we are. This device features a HEPA filter that is a true H13 medical grade filter. It removes microbes to a 97.8% efficiency. So this device, as I said earlier, charges via USB. One charge lasts up to 6 hours of complete operation. Now what's cool about this device is that it has a phone app. All you have to do is go to your instruction manual, and on the back it has a QR code. If you're an iOS user, you use the left one, and if you're an Android, you use the other. You download the app. It's very simple. All you need is Bluetooth. Now I have it right here. Alright, so here you have the app. It tells the device's battery life, how much of the filter remains. Right now it's at 99%. It shows you how much pollutant has actually been taken out of the air, which I think that is really cool and really useful to know. You can also turn the device on and off, and the wind power, you can adjust that. So I'm going to turn the device on. Bam, there you go, right there. I'm going to make it a higher wind speed. Wow. Now it's on its lower. There are 3 wind speeds actually. Low, medium, and high. Of course, you can adjust it to your liking. As you can tell, the pollutant number has already gone up since we started using this. This is crazy. In case you weren't able to see, here is a better look at the screen. As you can see, there is the battery level and the filter level, and on the bottom you have your power and your wind selection, where you can go from low, medium, and high. There are only 3 options there. So I'll tell you a little bit more about it. So this device comes with an extra filter, as I said earlier, and all you have to do is twist the top and take it off to exchange your filter for the newer one inside. The filter lasts anywhere from 1 to 4 months, depending on the level of pollution in your surrounding environment. You would see a very dark gray look on the filter if it is pretty bad. As I showed with the app, there are 3 levels of airflow. You can change the airflow manually on the device. You can move this knob to your desired location to figure out which and where you would like your airflow. This device only weighs 5.6 ounces. It is so light and very easy to carry around. That's why it's perfect for around your arm or in a little spot in your room. So you could place it in your car, wear it on a bus, train, or plane, even keep it on your desk or by your bedside. I think it's pretty useful, especially if you have a newborn as well. You want to give them some nice clear air as they're growing. So here's an even closer look at this. As you can tell, it's a small, sleek design. You have your filter on the top and some more airflow on the bottom. All you have to do is push this button to turn it on, or you can turn it on via the app as well. To turn it off, you hold it down. Takes a little bit, but turned off. On the back, you see where you can plug in your charger right there, very convenient. You can separate them to put it on the stand where you can wrap it around your arm and take it anywhere you'd like. This is such a very lightweight, versatile, small air purifier, and that's what's so great about this. Usually you have these big, clunky, long ones. This is something you can take anywhere you go. This is something personal and not anything I've seen before, ever. So be sure to check the description to find out more about this product. Also, be sure to subscribe and like this video. Also, keep your comments coming since we like those a lot. Thanks for watching, guys.